Hello Professor, my name is Hemil and I am recording the video for CMPE 281 personal project. Here I will be demonstrating the CP system. Here, as you can see, I have my masters and two slaves. They are currently in running state. This system is accessible via jump box. The IP addresses for master and slaves you can see on the screen, and the security group for all these three server nodes are HTTP port 80, HTTP port 8080 and HTTP port 8081. The internal communication between master and slaves happen on port 8080, and the external communication between the clients and the nodes happen on port 8081. You can see the load balancer service here. All the three nodes are in different availability zone and they are in service. Okay, so first I will demonstrate the CP system. For that I will start my master first. Okay, so this starts my master, and we try to post some data first. So we have posted and we get the response that the data was saved successful on the IP address that is of master. So now we will run both the slaves also, and this will start both the slaves. Okay, slave 1 and 2, okay, the both are available now. So I will try to get some data from the slaves. Okay, so we have got the data here that is coming from IP address 172.32.1.52. okay, this comes from 2.39 and this comes from the master. Okay, so the system is in a healthy state. Now we will introduce the partition. For partition, I will disable one of the slaves 8080 port on which the internal communication is happening. So I will partition the slave 1. I'll remove the port 8080 from both inbound and outbound. So this leaves the slave 1 in partition state as it cannot communicate with other two nodes. Okay, so here we can now we'll demonstrate the same thing. We'll hit the GET request, and here we get the data from the slave 1, but it is still data. Now we'll try to update the data here. And let's change the to 800. Okay, so the data from master is we have changed here. Now let's try to hit the get request again. The master will show 800, but the slave one will still show the stale data. We get the updated data from other two nodes, but the partition node shows the stale data. So this way the system is in partition mode. We will set the system, we'll set the slave node in normal again. We'll set this 8080 port again. So slave 1 is in the system again, and we try to hit the get request. Here the slave 1 is on 172.32.1.52. Let's see if we can get the updated data or not. Yes, so we get the updated data. So this was the demonstration for the AP system. Thank you so much for watching. In my next video I will be demonstrating the CP system for extra credit. Thank you again.